Guys, beef alert, as Kiddwaya just revealed, he's currently angry with Laycon for what he said about him. NAIJafm granted the two last evicted housemates Kiddwaya and Prince a live interview where they asked them questions about their stay in the house. Prince said while he was in the house, he thought the person who might win the Big Brother Naija show is Dorothy, but coming out of the house, he saw that Laycon might be the housemate to win the show. On Instagram live session, when Kiddwaya was asked about his bromance with Laycon and his promises for him, Kiddwaya said he's currently angry with Laycon and he just saw a different perspective of him. Kiddwaya noted that he won't say anything about it, but we'll find out on social media, as he revealed that before he joined the interview, he saw what Laycon said about him in the house. Though he didn't say what Laycon said, as he claimed he's not ready to talk about it. Kiddwaya was asked who he thinks will win the show, and he said it's going to be between Dorothy and Laycon. Enjoy the video.
I hope you don't get problem with Laycon, Sha. Because no, seriously. All of us really happy say, man, the connection between you guys for the last, I think for the past 2 weeks, it really did nice. You get one out there, but you say make it shake, you say you dress.
You know what it is? Yeah, I don't have a problem with anybody, but I cannot be using my name to be always constantly saying other people's name. I have not even left the house yet.
So I'll go straight right now. You the verse on top waiting Laycon talk for the night where Erika did drunk when Laycon tell Erika say, I don't want Kiddwaya to sleep with you. Please, what over? You don't watch the video. Hope you not be that one.
I was never angry between them.
You take any offense? But you don't hear that when you did the house. You hear that when you did the house. No, now when you come outside, you hear that.
I never hear that one, Seth. Well, I don't hear that one.
So which one you hear when they shape your perspective right now?
No, I don't want to talk about that one. That one you guys will find out now and then.
He's the best.
I don't the vex like that in ways that.
So hold on. You try to say those names where they mentioned during the show, even when you did, and after you don't come on right now, it will dictate your relationship with them.
I don't mix business
after they come outside
together, but I'm saying now that I'm outside, I'm seeing some people in a different way.
Okay.
So I can't deny the talents of those three. I'll do something with those three, but I'm going to wait until they come out first when we sit down.
Kiddwaya, I want to ask you this last question right now. Towards the end of the show, before you come on, we know to see your relationship with Laycon tight more.
Yeah, like romance.
Can come on. Now when you talk this thing, you see that same relationship in a different light right now, based on which you say you don't hear, say they don't mention your name up and down.
A little bit. But
bit.
It's not. I still respect it.
So what be that thing when you don't hear, when you don't really do okay? When
even now they see him before I even enter this room. So
you see, no.
You can see him for Twitter now. You guys do see it now.
So Laycon talk something about you.
Now you will see now.
Tell us before I go to the